Hello friends, this is George Flores, and one more time, here we go. We're going to start this year again. It's a little bit late during the year, but we're going to start doing some analysis on different pairs. I've been off on and on because I was moving from one state to another here in the US. So we're going to start gating. I use these videos also for monitoring myself. And I hope this helps you also. Some of the subscribers are asking me if I still use simplicity indicators. I don't use them much, to be honest, because once you understand price action and you know how the markets move and kind of other things with the market, all indicators, is pretty much the same. It's all based on price action. Indicators is just another hint, I will say, in the market, so you get better timing on the entrances, on your entry. Sorry. So let's get it started real quick. I like the volume bands a lot. I don't like 100%. Take decisions based on the Bollinger. All this, it's price action more than anything, and it's just for timing where the market is at this point, if it's extended, overextended, or stuff like that. Okay, so let's get it started on this week. Euro USD. This is the 4 hour. If we look at price action in the daily, obviously we can see that the market's in the last month has been in an uptrend. Right now it looks like a retracement in the way down. So if you look at the market right now, a trade that I will wait for it is to wait for that retracement to go and then look for some pips. And we don't know if this retracement can go farther and farther. We'll see where the market tells us. But what I will wait this week, for example, is for the market to really get overextended, already break this low right here. So the next low, the next liquidity points is around this area over here. So we'll see if the market reaches this areas right here and see if it's going to give us. If this is a retracement in a 4 hours, we can look for pretty much entries, and those will be shorter trades, obviously, entries in that way up. Let's say what I do normally is I read price action right here. For example, the 4 hour, it went down here, then it went up, down here, down, and then it went up. So pretty much I'll wait for this move to get completed, and kind of the RSI can help us when it's oversold completely, and it's more effective if you have a divergence in a way up to go and look for an entrant in the way up. And it looks good because also the daily, we know we're up in the daily, and this look like a retracement. Okay, so that's what we're going to wait for this week on the Euro USD. GBP USD, it's kind of a very similar story. It's been up for the last month, just on an uptrend. Right now it's taking a breather. Okay, so we're gonna wait kind of for the same thing. Let me get rid of those lines. We're gonna wait for the same thing this week. In the middle of the week, we'll see where we are at this pair right here. But the market rate went up, down, up, break up. Then you got this, already broke this low. Well, it didn't broke it with the body, but we'll see. If it breaks lower, probably go look for this liquidity points down here. We'll see how it goes this week. That's for GBP USD. AUD USD, I like to look at the daily. Okay, yeah, we've been in an uptrend, obviously here, and we're in this in between this move right here. Okay, let me mark it so you can understand what I'm talking about. We're in between this move. We're boxed right there. Obviously, if you tell me short term, I will definitely go try to look for trades to go lower. Let's see the 4 hour how it looks. Okay, so the market, it could be, 1 second please. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So we're going to continue with the odd USD. So we notice that we are on this support right now, the 4 hour support. Normally I don't like to go into support unless there's confirmation to go up in the lower time frames. But I always like to see, you know, that the RSI is all the way in the oversold position, pointing up, and also some sort of divergence before I go up. So we'll see how the market reacts to this. To be honest, I don't like to go right in the middle of the Bollinger Bands. I like to go extend it over the Bollinger Bands, and then when it starts going back in again. So we'll see how this develops. Also looks like for the middle of the week, USD CAD real quick. We notice that we've been in an uptrend, and the daily is very clear. Now we're just ranging right now. We had this move right here, and then this move broke the low of this move. So this gave me a hint that the market, this could be a retracement, and then we can start going out, but it's right in the middle. If there's nothing to do, we got to wait until it's out of the Bollingers. That's when we're taking decisions out of the Bollinger Bands. So let's see the 4 hour. We're in the middle. I mean, you can take small trades, but it's in a range. So the USD CAT doesn't look too good for this week. USD CHF, let's look at the daily again. Okay. Go lower. So we are out of the Bollinger Bands right now. We're looking okay. The only thing that I don't like is I like to see this, the R side out, oversold before going into any trade. And we're looking at the daily. Obviously, we're in a downtrend. See, there's a low right here, and there's the next low right here, and there's the other low right here. So it could, I like for this to do, obviously, maybe a retracement and then go lower. I like to see that. Normally, that's how the market moves. That would take us maybe all the ways to this. There's liquidity points over here. We'll see how it goes, but I like this to go lower. And how it looks on the 4 hour, and like I said, in the 4 hour, already went out in this area, then came back again, didn't go all the way low. So I like to be out of the Bollinger Bands bottom line. Does not look too good for this next 2 days. We'll see how it looks in the middle of the week. Where we're in the daily. Well, we're in an uptrend, the daily, fair obviously. So we're going to consider this a retracement in the 4 hour. So we're gonna wait until this is out of the Bollinger Bands, out of the also in the RSI oversold, and we'll see how it looks. Okay. Daily uptrend, retracement. A lot of pairs are looking very similar. Again, I need to be out of the Bollinger Bands before I take any decisions. So right now I'm looking for markets that are out of the Bollinger Bands bottom line. This one I like for the market to continue down. It might do a small retracement, but we'll see how it looks during the week. Looking for any out of the Bollinger Bands at this point. So it looks like if we take trades, it will be in continuation of this retracement. Pretty much, if it goes something like that, I can take trades. Like that one right there. I lost that trade too much. That was in a different strategy though. Let me get rid of all that. Okay, so this was a good entry point right there. This is a real good entry point. Let's look at this at for example 30-minute. See how it looks around this area. That's a divergence right there. You see how it's flat here and it's lower here. So that was a good entrance on the NCD USD. And it's trending now as we speak. I might do a retracement to continue down on the NCD. And the Euro GBP, we are out of the Bollinger Bands, but we're not oversold completely. I'd like this to go lower. So we're going to be monitoring all these pairs to see what trades we get this week. If I see a trade in the middle of the week, I'll probably do another short video to inform you guys about this. Well, thank you so much for looking at us. Please subscribe. Let's start sharing the channel, and that will encourage me to start making more videos of analysis and trades in the Forex market. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.